On today's episode of Speed Zone Unboxed, we're going to be working with Airlift Performance. As you guys know, two of our team members are already running Airlift, but today we're going to be talking about Airlift 3H. Now, Airlift is one of the largest air suspension component companies here in America and around the world. This certain model runs off of sensors that you place on each wheel's control arm or wherever is accessible for the sensor's installation. And that is actually how the vehicle controls its height. Now, as I said, Airlift does have other products. They do have the 3P, the 3S, but today's 3H system is one of the highly recommended systems due to the fact that it is almost on point as far as being accurate to tell you where your height is when you're adjusting on the vehicle. Now, the 3P does the same thing, however, it does work off pressure instead of actual sensors. And then the 3S works off seconds, actual time. So it depends on how long that you set that time for when that vehicle airs up and down. Now, for more information on Airlift, you can definitely check us out at speedzone-web.com, or feel free to give us a call at 407-846-8430.